Allegedly, it's where Confucius was born, and it's home to the world's tallest statue of Confucius, which stands a whopping 72 meters tall, around the same height as a 25-story skyscraper. The development surrounding the statue is a new theme park offering a unique cultural experience, Nishan Sacred Land. As the trip winds down, visitors are treated to a feast for the senses, a vivid account of the life of Confucius, his birth, education, teachings, and death, all told in acrobatics and dance.
来啦，好漂亮啊！
The interactive exhibits at Nishan are blowing the dust off old conventions, reimagining ways to transmit time-tested wisdom.
Confucius had a very strong belief in the power of ceremony, in that it brings people together. And if you look behind me at all the people who are watching this beautiful fireworks display, everyone is so involved with it, it's so exciting.